Hello everyone, in this video we will create a component and a server route to check the connection between the backend and the front end. So to do that, first let's finish the server part, and here we will be creating a new route which will say server send hello, and then we of course need a request and response function, and we will be sending a JSON, we will be sending an object, and that's why we are using response.json. And we will open the object field, of course, and here we will have a field named my message, and we will be, the backend will send this string here to the front end, and the front end will display it. Okay, so by doing that we will understand the connection is fine, and we will just say server says hello. That's it, the server part is finished. Now let's go to the front-end part, and this is a very basic front-end component. We of course first need some state management hooks. Let's say we will use useState and useEffect, and we will also use Axios to interact with the backend. And we will of course first create a variable by using useState hook, and we will display this backend message server says hello. We will first store it inside this message variable and then display it here. And now we can create, we could of course create a button here to initiate this event, but we can also use useEffect to do that. And here is our useEffect, but we also need to make this event asynchronous, and we cannot make useEffect asynchronous. To overcome this issue, we can create our own function inside useEffect, and we will say hello, but of course we need to make it asynchronous, as I said. And we can use try catch here, and we will manage the error by saying console log, and also we can use the message field, and here we will use a variable called response, and we will use Axios get method, and we will be accessing, we will be sending a request to this server route, but we better to use the complete route here, which is localhost 5000 server send hello, and this will send an object in return, but we don't need all that object, we just need this field in that object. So that's why I can say set message response data my message. And now we can test this code and connection. To do that, we will have two command lines. One of them will be used for the backend, so we will say node server.js. The backend is at the root level, and then go to the client. Now I have another command line on client folder, which is hosting our React frontend. I just need to say npm start here. Now the website is ready, so let's just click on this hello backend to see. Yeah, it works. Server says hello. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will be creating our table by using the component here, and also by creating a route for this component. See you next time. Bye bye.